Right guys, thank you for joining us here again at Black Stag Styling for another one of our videos. And in today, or for the next couple of days, we have another Ford Ranger Wildtrak. This has actually already had quite a lot of styling done by another company called Seeker, but it's in with us to have supplied and fitted by our good selves the Milltek active sound booster system for the exhaust. So this is really cool. It's got loads of different settings. It comes with an app so you can control it all off your phone and adds basically a really cool exhaust tone to the vehicle. So we'll show you as we go through. Of course, we'll show you the app at the end and give you a proper demo showing you exactly what it sounds like as well. But we'll go right the way through supplying and fitting it all. We are now a Milltek dealer, so authorised fitting centre and dealer. So give us a shout for anything to do with Milltek. We are also supplying and fitting some Predator rear lights. So these are the tinted rear lights. So we're going to show you these as well, and of course we'll give you a little demo of them at the end. So stay tuned for this one. Don't forget, do like and subscribe to the old channel. Stay fully up to date with everything we're doing. We're now going to run the intros and we will then get cracking with this in the old workshop. So here we go. Happy days. Good afternoon, pal.
Good afternoon. Right, so in this afternoon we have another Ranger for you. This one we are fitting the Milltek sound booster system on to give it a little bit of noise. Here's the actual sound booster itself. Obviously we've got a nice wiring loom. Got to wire that all into the high and low cams. Nice bracket to go underneath and fit the actual system.
Superb, mate. Look, nicely, very well made out of good stainless steel.
Nice stainless steel, yeah. Not spot rust on it, nothing. It's really good.
That's what we like to see.
Yeah,
we've actually got two in there because there's one to go on our truck as well, isn't there?
Yeah, it's just one for our truck, one for this truck.
Yep, when we get time to do our one.
Get like a little control module there with it as well. Little brain. Yeah. Also, we are fitting some Predator rear smoked lights as well. Here they are.
Yeah, we've done a few sets of these, haven't we?
Yeah.
We've got them on our truck as well, so we'll show you them at the end. Yeah, they're nice. Like a sequential tinted rear light unit. So we'll show you them as we go through, and at the end, of course, as well. Should sound pretty smart, this.
Should sound good, yeah. You link it all to the app on your phone and, change the settings. So should be pretty cool.
Yeah, we'll go through that all at the end. But
we'll give you a little demo once we're there.
We'll let Ad get started with it. He's looking forward to it, isn't he, mate?
Here we go, hey? Here we go.
Right, okay, we're just going over to see Ad, who's cracking on nicely with the wiring. Here he is, he'll be in here somewhere.
Hello, mate.
Hello, pal. All good, mate, all good. How are you getting on?
You good? Yeah, we're getting there, mate. I'm just getting the last sort of bits wired in. I've got the...
Peek over your shoulder.
Have a little look, mate. It's a bit hard to see because we're right under here, but I've got the high and the low cams all wired in. I've got my earth wired in. I'm just under this live attached. And then we can have a little bit of a demo test.
Superb.
We're all working.
Check. Check one.
Still obviously got to fit the actual sound booster underneath the car.
Yeah.
But yeah, we're getting there. You certainly need a professional to do this.
Yes.
Yeah. You do have to meter read all the wires and check you've got them, going into all the right places. So yeah, definitely. I wouldn't try it at home.
Bring it to the experts.
Well, I probably would. I'd probably do it at home.
You could do it in the workshop, mate, couldn't you?
I could work from home from now on.
We could run these to your house.
Yeah.
You wire them in at yours.
That's it, yeah. That'd be lovely. But no, we'll crack on and we'll come back to you when we've got a little bit of a demo for you.
Okay, mate. That sounds
noise.
That sounds good.
Yeah, baby.
And don't forget, everyone, give us a shout here at Black Stag Styling if you are interested in any of the Milltek goodies, as we are a authorised supplier and fitter of the Milltek stuff. So give us a shout.
Right, we are all wired in, pal. We're not quite fitted on the vehicle yet. I've just got our sound booster down here, but it's all wired in. I've just got to bolt it, the bracket and the booster to the bottom of the vehicle.
Superb.
But we are ready for a little tester. You know, a little tester session.
You're going to do a little demo?
There we go. Cross your fingers. Vibrates on the floor a little bit. Here we are. Little rev.
Oh.
You little pops.
Sound good, doesn't it?
Yeah. I think we should fit it in here somewhere. Put it inside rather than underneath.
Yeah, stick it inside the car.
Yeah, that's it. I've got the app here on the old telephone, on the blower. So we can you do quite a lot of that, changing all the volumes, plus all the settings, how you want it to sound. So a little bit of different sound there.
Nice.
Sounds quite cool, the pops.
It does, doesn't it?
There's obviously settings on here with a less aggressive sort of noise.
Yeah.
But you don't want to hear them, do you? You want to hear more.
That's it.
Ooh.
Sound good, pal. Sound good.
Yeah.
Looking forward to hearing it on the vehicle.
You do absolutely loads on the app. You can change all the tones, there's loads you can do. Set it exactly how you want it. Volume-wise as well, you can turn the volume up and down.
Pretty good, that, isn't it?
And then the best thing, when you leave early in the morning, don't want to upset your neighbours, you can just leave without it.
Just turn it off.
Yeah.
Easy as that, all off the app.
That is it.
Yeah, pretty smart, that. Pretty smart. Impressed with the Milltek ones, aren't we?
Yeah, really nice. Made really nicely. Yeah, really good, solid.
Yeah, good. Yeah, baby.
Right. Let's get it on the...
Yeah, get it on the vehicle.
Let's get it on and we'll take it for a little test drive up the road.
Yeah, man, then we'll do a little bit of video and of course at the end, everyone, give you a full-on demonstration. Here we go, get it on the vehicle. Right, okay, so Ad is now getting it all ready to get this bolted onto the underside of the vehicle. This is going onto the offside rear wheel arch. So in a section, not in the wheel arch, that's up behind in the rear quarter panel in actual fact. So Ad's just getting it all ready to go on, get it bolted in position, and that's the last bits of wiring, and we should be good for a test run. Yeah. Check it all out. Woohoo! Hello, pal.
Hello, mate. Right.
Predator time.
Predator time, baby. Already got one in over here. Just going in for the second now, pal.
Nice. Superb.
Nice smoked lenses they are.
Yeah, they're nice. We do quite a few sets of these, don't we, mate?
Yeah.
Keep them in stock.
Yeah, that is it.
As they are a lovely little upgrade. So, of course, give us a shout if you want to know a little bit more about them.
Yeah, you know.
Give us a little call. Send us an email. Pop in and see us. All of the above.
Don't be shy.
Don't be shy.
Don't be shy.
Give these lights a try.
Oh, mate, yeah.
There we go. Just sort of added already stripped the other lights out.
Yeah.
They're not too bad to fit.
In. We've got a little bit of wiring back under there in a minute.
Yeah, man.
Get it in and bolt it in first.
We're looking forward to a little test of the old sound booster.
Yeah.
Milltek sound booster in a minute.
Right, so we have just finished fitting the Milltek sound booster system. I'll just run you through the apps. You've got the app here on the phone, which controls it all. You've got 10 different settings on it, which you can change all the profiles and tones in each setting individually. And then you've got your main button, so if you don't want to wake your neighbours up in the morning, you can turn it all off. But we'll start it up and give you a little demo. Here we go. as I say, all of these settings you can sort of personalise and change and sort of make your own, you know. Yeah, so you've got all these different settings you can do here. How do we do it? Like that. Ooh. So you can actually change all the sort of individual tones and sounds to it. What a sporty sound, that one. Sporty. But yeah, all good. We'll get it outside and give you a little demo, shall we?
Right, there we go guys, we have just finished the installation or supply and installation of the Milltek sound booster exhaust system. Lovely bit of kit this. Hopefully the video has done it justice. Like we say, you've got the app that goes with it, you've got loads of different settings, and then you can fully tune it yourself to achieve that desired sound that you want. So, and of course it can be turned on and off, all controlled by the app. Don't forget, we are a Milltek authorised supplier and fitting centre, so do give us a shout if anything like this is of interest. Doesn't have to be just the exhaust sound booster, we can do exhaust systems as well. So yeah, just give us a shout if any of this is of interest. Hopefully you've enjoyed the video. Don't forget, do a like and subscribe to the old channel. Turn the old notifications on, stay fully up to date with everything we're doing. And we will catch you again soon. We're going to give you a last demo of the sound of the exhaust sound system, and we'll catch you again in the near future. Take care. See you soon.